Dear students of 12th standard, very pleasant morning. Once again, welcome back to the zoology class. We are discussing chapter number 3, that is reproductive health. Today in this session, we are going to learn what is population explosion and the various methods of birth control under the heading population explosion and birth control. Now let us see what is population explosion and how it happens. Increased health facilities and better living conditions have enhanced longevity. According to a recent report from the UN, India's population has already reached 1.26 billion and is expected to become the largest country in population size, surpassing China around 2022. To overcome the problem of population explosion, birth control is the only available solution. People should be motivated to have smaller families by using various contraceptive devices. Advertisements by the government in the media as well as posters or bills with the slogan Nam Iruvar Namak Iruvar, that is we two ours two, and Nam Iruvar Namakku Oruvar, that is we two ours one, have also motivated to control population growth in Tamil Nadu. Statutory raising of marriageable age of the female to 18 years and that of males to 21 years, and incentives given to couples with small families are the other measures taken to control population growth in our country. Now let us see what is birth control and what are the various methods of birth control. The voluntary use of contraceptive procedures to prevent fertilization or prevent implantation of a fertilized egg in the uterus is termed as birth control. An ideal contraceptive should be user friendly, easily available, with least side effects, and should not interfere with sexual drive. The contraceptive measures are of two types. They are temporary contraceptive methods and permanent contraceptive methods. Now let us see what is temporary contraceptive methods, that is birth control methods. The temporary birth control method temporarily postpone the pregnancy, that is it stops pregnancy for a short period of time, or you can say temporarily. Got it? The married people can have a successful married life without getting pregnancy. They can postpone the pregnancy by following these temporary birth control methods. The temporary birth control methods are natural method, chemical method, mechanical method, and hormonal barrier method. Now in this video, we are going to discuss only what is natural method and what are the various types. Now let us see. Natural method is used to prevent meeting of sperm with ovum by natural way, or you can say natural method. The various natural birth control methods are rhythm method, that is safe period, continuous abstinence, coitus interruptus, and lactational amenorrhea. Now let us see one by one. What is periodic abstinence or rhythm method? Actually, ovulation occurs at about the 14th day of menstrual cycle. Ovum survives for about 2 days and sperm remains alive for about 72 hours in the female reproductive tract. So, coitus is to be avoided during this time. Got it? So, that is a particular period, okay, before the ovulation and after the ovulation. This period should be avoided for coitus or intercourse. That is called periodic abstinence or rhythm method. The next is the continuous abstinence. What is continuous abstinence? It is the simplest and most reliable way to avoid pregnancy by not having coitus for a defined period that facilitates conception. Here you can see. Okay, coitus should be avoided during this period. This is called continuous abstinence. The next method is the coitus interruptus. What is coitus interruptus? It is the oldest family planning method. The male partner withdraws his penis before ejaculation, thereby preventing deposition of semen into the vagina. See, what is lactational amenorrhea? Amenorrhea means absence of menstrual cycle. After delivery, actually menstrual cycle resume as early as 6 to 8 weeks from parturition. Parturition means childbirth. However, the reappearance of normal ovarian cycle may be delayed for 6 months during breastfeeding. This delay in ovarian cycles due to breastfeeding or lactational period is known as lactational amenorrhea. It serves as a natural but an unreliable form of birth control. Suckling by the baby during breastfeeding stimulates the pituitary gland to secrete increased prolactin hormone in order to increase milk production. This high prolactin concentration in the mother's blood may prevent menstrual cycle by suppressing the release of gonadotropin releasing hormone from hypothalamus and gonadotropin hormone secretion from the pituitary gland. You got it? Lactational amenorrhea means absence of menstrual cycle during breastfeeding is called lactational amenorrhea. Okay, during this time prolactin level will be high in the blood of mother. Okay, this reduces the secretion of gonadotropin releasing hormone as well as gonadotropin hormones. You got it? So, due to this hormonal changes, there is no menstrual cycle and ovulation. So, the pregnancy is temporarily stopped. Got it? Today in this video, we discussed various natural methods of birth control. Next class, you can learn about different other methods of birth control. Thank you.